Hey folks, and welcome. In the following video I'm going to give you an overview of how to use style kits with your flow themes. So what is the style kit? A style kit basically allows you to style your website differently, quickly, and you can basically apply any style kit that's available inside a theme to create a different look for that. So for example, if we were to take a look at Milia, you can see there's also a style kit Milia Cotton, and that will basically be a different version in terms of colors and fonts for the theme, and it really makes it look different. So you can create style kits easily for your website. You can update your website using these style kits if you want to have different looks for that, and it allows you to really set your website apart and look different from someone else's. Now, if we want to update style kits, we can go ahead and go to Flothemes Style, and then there's the style kit section. And again, you'll see, as I mentioned, the different options for the style kits are here. So it gives you an overview. It's the set of colors and fonts that determine the style of your website. So maybe you are a fine art photographer and you need something slightly different. Maybe you are a photographer for families and kids, for example. Maybe you need different typography and feel and colors to the website. You'll easily use these styles to update your site. So here we have the style kit and as I said, the fonts and colors, and that would be linked to then the typography section and the color section that is inside your theme as well. So for example, if I decided, okay, I want to change my style kit from maple to olive, and I apply this style kit, it will then apply the new fonts to the typography section, the new colors to the color section, and then of course you'll see all the colors are changed, all the typography is changed based on the new style kit. And then if we were to refresh this page, we will get a different look on here as well with the fonts and everything updated as well. So let me just refresh the page here real quick, and you'll see the fonts have been updated with this new style kit. So this style kit here, again, if I use cotton for example and apply that, you'll see all the colors and everything's been updated. If I refresh this again, once this style kit's updated, again you'll see new updates here to the typography and the colors and everything on the site here as well. So it really just a quick way of allowing you to switch styles between themes, and yeah, really great for branding your site. Now, if you want to make it more, style kit more you can easily do that by using the color section. And the color section basically will have three different parts to it: the dark, the light, and the accent colors. And then it will have the various options for that as well. So in this particular theme, it has a background color, a text color, overlines, and call to actions. And basically how it works is that if it is a dark background, for example, then you should have light text, overlines, and call to actions. Of course, you want those items to pop on the background. If you had a light background, you would want to have dark text, overlines, and call to actions. And in most themes, as default, you will use the accent colors. So again, depending on the background, you would choose the different types of text, overline, and call to actions colors specifically for that background that you choose. So you can dictate that yourself. Accent is used most commonly throughout the theme, and then of course you'll have options for dark and light depending on different elements and different blocks that you're using. Typography, again, we have another video covering this fully, but again, you can just go ahead and update all the typography and options for that, and then it will of course apply across the entire site and then give you a different look and feel to your website. Now, if you've created a style kit that you like, you can easily save that style kit by coming into the style kit section. So again, Flothemes style kits, and you can just save your current setup, and then you add a name for that backup. So I'm just going to create a backup. It's going to save it, and then of course you can switch between styles. You can change and mess around with the colors, and if you don't like it and you can't figure out what you had previously, you can go ahead, restore the style kit, and that will restore everything on the site. And it's an easy way to test several different options for your theme, and it will really save you a lot of time in the long run if you do want to go and test different things on your website. So that's an overview of the style kits area. It's very simple to use, and you can easily switch between any of these. You still have all the theme functionality and options. They're all exactly the same. It doesn't matter what style kit you use. This is merely a way to style and make your website look different. So go ahead, start testing with the style kits, check them out, and update your site to look today.